So greetings everyone. So in this video we're going to learn together how we can create a drop down like this using only HTML and CSS without any JavaScript. You can see that the structure looks perfect and it works as expected. So we do all this with only using HTML and CSS. So I'm going to teach you is how to implement this logic of doing this. So you can see the full design. So this is how it appears and it actually looks beautiful. And next what we need to do is, let's go here. So first of all, what we need is the basics. So we need is to have this drop down here, to have this input and to have the label. This one is the label and this one is the input. So all we need to do first, we need to connect this label to our input, because we don't want to show this input to our users. This is gonna be a long user experience. So all we need to do, we need to add here for, and then we just use the same name. So here, so now they are connected. You see that when I click on this input, now you see that it can be shown. So all we need to do next is to go here. So what we need to do next is to make this hidden. So you go to this input and make it hidden. Now it's hidden, but after what we need to do, so this is not the most important thing. So most important thing we need to do first is to go up here and we need to connect these two, the input and our content, so that it can be shown when the input is checked. So first of all, we need to do is we need to select the input by ID. So here we have an ID drop and we add ID drop, then checked. So once the ID is checked, then we add a plus and we gonna style the drop down content as well, and like this one. So what we need to do next, see that this have a height 120 pixels. So we copy this height and just use it here, and here we just leave it as 0, and now it can work. You see now it's working. And finally all we need to do is to make this input hidden. So and now we got our beautiful drop down using only CSS, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I'm Instructor Snow and I'm creating such videos like this where you be coding in a simple way and start coding simply without using adding complexity. So if you are interested in this video, so make sure you subscribe and add a like to this video, so as you add a like to this video, the YouTube algorithm just know that this video is best content, so that it can be spread over 1,000 people who need this video. So thank you for watching.
Cold in the kingdom, I can feel you fade away from the kitchen to the